Samuel Habib. I live in Concord, New Hampshire. I've been in regular school and classes since preschool. In my senior year of high school, I asked my friend Anita to go to the prom with me. She said yes, and then I had a seizure. Damn. But we did go to the prom together and we had an awesome time. I like hanging out with my friends.
When you come and see us in Scotland.
And going on adventures.
Yes, Sam!
And I'm a speed freak. I am in my third year at the local community college. I really want to start dating. I set up a profile on Bumble and Hinge. It's really hard to meet new people when I can't drive in my friends' cars, or get into their houses. Someday, I want to get married, and maybe have kids. But I need to figure out how to do all the things I want to do.